Mayor Day came and talked at freshman orientation, and he said that he made everything sound incredible. Like, and like, I didn't know what party he was affiliated with at that time, but I thought that sounded too good. So now, like, hearing what you're saying is kind of...
If it's too good, it's too good to be true,
Yeah.
right? Who's the math person here? Anybody good with numbers? Who's the accountant? Accountant, CPA, future CPA. If I told you, yeah, I mean, you know, if we're running tons of calls, you know, more than ever, you would think the crime rate would go up, right? But no, the crime rate's going down. There is no correlation. It does not make sense. I said this at the police last time.
Where I live,
Where you at?
I'm over on East Lincoln Street.
Oh.
East Lincoln Ave. I know. I picked a great place, didn't I? So anyway, I've been looking at I've been talking to neighbors
You
and
guys just
everything.
flew it over.
They were saying that there's just so many break-ins. There's people just walking around the street. And everywhere else I've lived, there's never been an issue, but this area is not good.
What did the cops give you?
So the cops right now.
Did they leave you with anything?